So this be unscripted experience. Charlie, the people within there here, everybody from different side. This man guy from Dansoman, some people from Ayarefa, Accra, Saiko, Somenya, Edukrom, Koforidua. Charlie, everybody will fit join. You feel me?
You can't join we. We do unscripted stuffs to give you much more experience. They get experience, then the stress go down small. Then go toward the hospital.
Yeah, Chile. Just to take a look of around.
Akure family. Hero, come on, Hero, shot! Mamma mia! Brilliant display!
For the introduction, for build some network. So somebody mentioned them, then maybe the job they do. If you talk plus some, like make we link up for you, Bob. So
They are so.
okay, fashion designer.
Yeah.
Into Apple products and its accessories. So me, I want to say we won't turn your plugs.
Okay.
16 pe.
What the grace is better than you? My, I want to make a kuri. What your grace is my bomb out for?
Yeah, you listen to me more there.
So we teach any you be say who tuition about it.
We go break.
Who break?
Nipan wa no. Where you been Angasa?
Wait to us or where you from?
From Ayarefa.
I be roofer.
Okay.
I dey do installation.
Picture that sir.
To Hero once again! Hero! Esu! Chale.
Alright, family, we come start the game. This one be Team Hero, then Team AM. Charlie, come on, go call the boys.
Ali, it's the end.
Hey. Charlie, you come. You.
Baba come. You might come.
Charlie, PY, bra.
Haaland. Oh.
You come.
Yes.
See, when you me too, I get 3. I get 4. I be you to get 4.
I get 3, I dey more 4.
Yeah, me too, I do among 4. So you know that. Charlie Sharp.
Abi.
Ache, and I went to
Then this one go keep. Charlie, then go.
I'm going to say,
Okay, it's Team Hero against Team AM. Abrantia Pulo, Crabon, and what ding papa. Pulo. Okay. Pulo, and what ding? Hero, come on, Hero, shot! Mamma mia! Akwayasa! Pulo, ne Crabon, and Pulo. Brilliant display. Work power ball on the dang thing. Hero, shot! Oh my. Okay, it's Apollo. Mamia, Haaland. Achuba Kumi and Numi and San 9. Brilliant! Go! I'm Brenton at Brilliant display! Team Hero, almost say papa. Brilliant display by Apollo. Asimunyi man advance. Yeah. Head on today. Oh, Hero the washer no. Better. We are free. Brilliant. Hero the grab on. Hero. Pass it. Yonku. Chance. Brilliant. Hey, wait me then. What you wanna finish him? Why Apollo? Player to watch Apollo. Hey, Ampon. Hey, champion man. Team Hero. Now boom. A penalty. I about Team Hero. A penalty. I Team Hero. Hey, wait me there. Back me enemy sir. I say by goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper is good.
I want to Hero once again. The ball on the player. Wait me there. Hero say man pass. Hero ni akwana bo 1-2. 4-5. I put on one ding pa. And Jema over Hero. Wait me there. Ball on the play. Wait me there. I fake you to Hero once again. Hero! Esu! Hero Atikano. Mamma mia! Where you can't tell? Try Hero! Oh! Better! Thank you! Hey! Oh! I'm going to watch it. I'm shot. There you go. Keep it. Yes, pa.
Too fast. What's where? Good.
Hero, I chumba 50 times. Keeper, Abosulia. I'm the grab on. Wow! Oh, brilliant display! Back up him! Pass!
Hey, come on there, yo! Action! Abuja! Now we go do one for them. Can the food make ready? The food make ready. All right, Charlie, go play the ball calm, we'll go swim for the introduction, for build some network. So somebody mentioned name, then maybe the job we they do, if you talk plus some, like make we link up for here, so I'll be here a week, as you all know, I'll be content creator. So Charlie Eddie, make we start from our top. Where you from?
Yeah, from Ekropong.
They do some business be if you talk or something.
Oh yeah, I do lighting business, bedside lamps and things. So if like you get any room where they want bedside lamps, like I feel link if you link me up, I feel get you some.
Mention your number.
My number be 0545017729.
Sharp.
Yeah.
What's up? Where you from?
Oh, I'm from Asante Achimabuku, bro.
Okay.
But now they do crew.
Yeah. So what do they do? They do something where you feel.
Oh yeah, me I they do plenty things. I they do music. We are be Baba too right now. Yeah. So if you want any cat, be
mention your number.
557121744. Yeah.
Sharp, straight. Charlie, what be your name? Then where you from?
4PA Forgive from Edukru.
Okay, they do some business. You won't mention your number.
No.
Charlie, what be your name? Then where you from?
Savage or the vintage Baba. Me are from Edukum. I be Baba. Then you go feel link me up, Charlie.
Mention
Any
your number.
haircut? 0506080941, bro.
Charlie, what's up? Where you from then? You do some business?
I'm from Oyarifa.
Okay. You do some business where they love the mention number.
Oh, nah.
Alright, you too, what's up? Where you from?
From Oyarifa.
Yeah, if I do some business. Or...
You do.
Okay. Yo, big man, what's up? Big no Ryan. Where you from?
Oh, right now, me I go talk from Edukro.
Okay.
But everything be cool so far.
Alright.
I brought my kids and we are okay.
This year.
So far,
Everything they go on.
good.
Okay, so they do some business where I go love the mention number or not do anything.
I be roofer. Okay. I dey do installation. I dey do everything about roofing. I'm good. IBR, everything. I'm good about it.
Alright, so I beg if you mention number in case something you need. Yes,
Oh, 053 588
Sharp,
That's my number.
Alright. Bossman, what's up? You watch your pictures, who's Kana Sankofi? Where are you from then, your name?
Oh, I'm Rafik from Accra.
Okay. What do they do? They love say go do some advert there.
Oh, yeah. We deal in Apple product only. MacBook, accessories, both repairs and everything, phones and everything.
Okay. Alright. Sure. Big man, what's up?
Yeah, I do with you, bro.
Alright. I beg what the name?
Nuruddin.
Okay, I beg what don't give me?
Yeah, Nuruddin from Accra Circle.
Okay, they do some business, they love mention number.
Yeah, I'm learning how to repair Apple machine.
Okay.
I'm still learning.
Okay.
Yeah, my number is 023-746-7861.
Alright, sharp. Bossman, what's up?
Adeo, hero.
If the guy say he takes some work and they born the 1 minute raw.
We go do rematch. That be rematch. We go do rematch again. Then go out.
Charlie, what do you do?
Now we can start the party.
What do you do then? Where you from?
Okay, as my brothers said, we are into Apple products and its accessories. So me, I want to say we won't turn your plugs.
Okay.
Anything you want.
About Apple beer.
Okay. Contact us. We do repairs too.
Alright, I beg mention your number.
My number is 0540-618838.
If I know, and you know, and a review, Sandra, go out, Sandra, bra.
Edukrom.
Okay, who your business be and as a business of number. So we teach and you be say who tuition about it.
We go break.
So one man as on board. Yeah, Charlie, what's up?
Charlie, are they inside?
Boy, we're journalists.
This is a we be the unscripted, no. What we do be unscripted. Then we give you the experience. Charlie, if you can't join we, then the stress for Accra, I no go lie you. Stress they Ghana pass, no be Accra people everywhere. So sometimes you dey at weekends, then you see something, you can't join we. We do unscripted stuffs to give you much more experience. Then you get experience, then the stress go down small. Then you go toward the hustle top. Money be very important, I no go lie you. Charlie, we dey inside.
Where you from? If you do some business,
boss, me I dey ADK. I'm from ADK, I dey Accra. You know something? The business we do plenty. You understand? Charlie.
Charlie, what's your answer? How many ambre? Madam, you're frozen.
Maya.
But your favor.
Edukrom.
Okay, into your business, we are opposite or born number, we have service.
But me pamadi.
Okay, into your born number, we have service.
Okay, 0559-764151. O6 fashion.
Sharp. Hey, Boga, when you have brewed chimo, when they bank, will be debate 5. But you're frozen.
Almost a PY and it's not naming me.
Almost a full PY.
Almost a
fever.
If you new FM is a few. If you buy me to cocoa memley.
Oh, okay. Into your business, we have a number.
Anything printing. We print on everything. In anything.
Okay, into your number.
0577-390-100.
Okay, alright. What about your frozen?
FM Mamituma.
Okay, but you're free.
But you if you assurance.
Okay, into we are the be able to number so be here service.
Okay, me a fashion designer. My number is 0549-384577.
Charlie, go here. Boss, what's up?
Charlie Kusa.
A frozen of you.
Me the man or me free among from.
Okay, into we are maybe able to be here service and
me a police and at the center they do farming small.
Okay, into farming no be here board in the bench na bona.
Board there bench ni na here. My number is 0552-976-506.
Sharp. Big man, what's up? Oh, Charlie, no, we still so no man. I was saying wechi. Charlie, no be easy. Self experience ni okay.
Experience ni okay.
It's about your business. Be a person born na man.
Charlie, me dealing hardware. Yeah, no money. 0243-638579. No manya ponguno.
Into so manya.
No manya ponguno. So manya is different from manya ponguno.
So manya ni ko back.
So manya na ya yilo. Baby, me finu dey lower.
See,
lower na ya yilo.
Enti so manya na yan fa.
Yilo.
Na ba ko na
manya ponguno.
See, your phone more side. Them cast when you know is under so many. Once a
your lower mania and yellow and upper.
And so many.
Yeah, so many yellow.
It's only so many.
Yeah.
And upper.
Yeah.
The upper no intimate. As a son to intimate as a way so many. Okay. It was over crap ma. Over crap me a hole and I walk with friends a breed the Kuba anyway. Incronisha crap ba. Mamma who need from saying. Ebe yellow upper so many mun na couple my from say.
Nina Krobo.
Nina Krobo. Okay. Big man what's up?
Ade outside.
Charlie, what be the name?
I be Asma.
Asma, okay. Charlie, what do they do? The few say you go mention number or something like that.
They are the so.
Okay. Fashion designer.
Yeah.
All right. See, if you mention number then.
Okay, 0249 607047.
Okay. So where you from?
From Medukrom.
Right, sharp. Charlie, what's up?
Cool.
What be your name?
Ima.
Oh, okay. So, me no understand now. So what do they do? They do something where you go fish your number.
I be a graphic designer. They paint posters, banners, everything.
Okay. So mention your number in case somebody needs.
0558 277931.
Okay. So where you from?
Medukrom.
Sharp. Day inside. Bra, I see. Madam Pachom Chiao.
Joso.
Yeah, I don't say. I don't favor.
Medukrom.
Okay, but you may be a sin be here or service.
Oh, me a catcher. The same time a hairdresser. It is open be a journey mouse, open home service, and that's how you from Bia. Obey to me, after me. 0242 846330.
That's brother. Big man, what's up?
Cool.
As you say, they cool. Why not they feel okay?
Oh, I do okay.
Inside.
I be a new person, so.
Okay. Shall I make you no feel for here? You feel that thing? Sure. So what you do in case you go film mention your number then? Where you from for the first?
Dansuman.
You from Dansuman?
Dansuman, yeah.
Okay. So Charlie, what be the experience now as you come now?
It's cool, yeah. Now they feel the vibe.
Okay. So like you do some business, you go love them, mention your number.
Yeah, I be a fashion designer.
Fashion designer?
Yes, sir.
I beg mention your number.
0543 211928. My name is Mickey Joe.
Alright. Sharp. And then but here if I better, it just Jimalala. You better this Dabio, Mokono Bako how? Yeah. Dabio, Modi Omolio. Listen, we ben good here. And away on Modi. I'm on
Short no day.
Okay. You have a future for we are so.
Charlie, 11 one man for here. Charlie, panic, watch it, what's up?
Oh, me I come long time about.
Oh, I don't see you.
It be like say now you dey play ball. Where I go the times I go take something small.
Okay. So where you from?
I'm from Enyina where I come right now.
Okay. Now where you from? What's in Fifa?
Me fear do Chrome.
Okay. So you do some business where you go love them, mention your number.
Oh yeah, I dey sell shadow and things. Okay. So if you don't want any shadow, sneaker, watches, sprays.
Where your shop there?
I no get shop, but I dey do online.
Okay.
Right. So anytime you want something, just call my number 05577 36243.
All right.
Yeah, I go make you feel.
Sure, you dey inside. Yo, Sheshe, Charlie, come. Boy, watch it. I don't see can't say Dima wana. Baron, yo big man. Bra. What you watch us, Charlie? What's up?
Inside.
Who FIFA?
I do come here.
Okay. Who your business be about born man say bisa?
Oh, na you see them person me farm want take akra what I say. Yeah, TV. If you any am mama hit up.
Active. Yeah, that's bro.
Akbola asset.
Mando.
Water for you know. Yeah, chilly. Just to take a look of around. What you say? You read the Benkuni, me 1,000 you know.
Yeah. Nice coming here. We really appreciate our coming and we appreciate everybody over here. We really enjoy our coming here too. So we are still waiting for more things, you understand? But still, what is still going on? Chess, we are still on. So thanks.
Remaining pick and act. Yeah, the one you pick no, then you act on it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we are still chilling. You understand? So we chill till.
The egg chopping on like the egg chopping for not the chop like that. For do that game where we like this.
Next time go do. I make no worry. Sharp. Charlie, so unscripted experience. Who day inside? Oshama Bochenkua. Pure where the Ekpurebe it's other.
Oh, but you many be brave 5.5.
5.5 no idea.
5.5. And me fasting.
Sharp. But are we okay?
Me okay.
What the Ekpurebe? Who the Ekpurebe?
16 pe.
What the Ekpurebe 16 pe dey kunu? My I want me Ekpuri. What the Ekpurebe 16? My me all for wa. Adam, experience ni okay.
I love it. Yeah.
But we unscripted experience. No.
Let's say, join because it's fun and entertaining. Yeah.
Charlie, Asabi Akachi Obi, come on by no today. Madam experience lesson.
Experience ni a guy. Into be able to me a join.
Sure.
Into one mad dia wa ha, into join in. You come be a wa stand back home.
Sure.
Dance man.
Sure. So you come, everything be normal.
Everything nice.
Charlie, take your boys for the dance man, make them can join.
Okay.
I bet experience be cool.
Oh, it be nice.
What to chop?
Rice and stew.
Right
now. I did fine.
Shout.
Yeah, bro. Thanks for.
Yo, Charlie, what's up?
I did, bro.
How be the experience?
Charlie, mad. This one is crazier than they breed.
Charlie, I swear you.
Yeah, I swear. Charlie,
you almost sardine.
Charlie, sardine cry be here.
This guy last hour we pay your money. Make no do that mistake again. If you pay your money early next time.
Yeah, you mistake into me more there.
Charlie, what's up?
The chop up and you can say.
Me squad nobody we I put any fleli toto. I be the fleli toto no.
It be fetri toto. I dey eat akpele dem fetri toto. Be some question person try me ana. Go come.
You don't feel it.
I dey enjoy the thing.
You enjoy the
person family dream.
Sorry, boss. Sorry. Charlie, what be the experience?
Charlie, mad. Charlie,
we hard.
We competing 2 times, but the second one we there. Nippon wa no. Oya igbeni angasa.
Oya igbeni ofi wase. Oh yeah. All right, family. So this be unscripted experience. Charlie, like people who dey here, everybody from different side. This man guy from Dansoman, some people from Ayarefa, Accra, Saiko, Somenya, Edukrom, Koforidua. Charlie, everybody will fit join. You feel me? We don't go tours, Kaswafo in our home. We don't go tours. We don't go hiking, bike ride. Like we don't do everything. So just take the number and hit me up on WhatsApp. I'll add you to the group. Welcome to Unscripted Experience.